As a country, we have gained momentum in our fight against TB by strengthening systems and embracing innovation and technology. As you have heard during the conference, this momentum is real. Since 2015, South Africa has achieved a 61% reduction in TB incidence, surpassing the World Health Organization's 2025 milestone ahead of time. Cases have declined from over 500,000 in 2015 to around 249,000 in 2024. This is proof of strong political commitment, scientific innovation, and the resilience of our communities. However, progress on TB mortality has been slow, with only 17% drop since 2015, far short of the 50% target. This disparity serves as a harsh reminder that incidence reduction alone is insufficient to achieve triumph. Lives must be saved, households must be protected, and dignity must be restored.